Hazrat Abdullah bin Abdul Rahman al-Ansari reports that he heard Hazrat Anas radiyallahu anhu say, Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam visited the daughter of Milhan, reclined against something beside her and went to sleep. Then he sallallahu alaihi wasallam laughed. So she inquired, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, what made you laugh? He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, some people of my ummah are sailing over this green sea in the way of Allah Jalla Jalaluhu. They resemble the kings sitting on their thrones. She submitted, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, invoke Allah Jalla Jalaluhu to include me among them. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam prayed, O Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, include her in them. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam again went to sleep, again laughed, and she asked him in the similar way, and he sallallahu alaihi wasallam replied as before. She submitted, invoke Allah Jalla Jalaluhu to include me in them. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, you are included in the first group instead of the second one. Hazrat Anas radiyallahu anhu says, later she married Hazrat Ubadah bin Samit. Then she, along with the daughter of Qaraza, Hazrat Muawiyah's wife, went on a sea journey. When she returned, she rode on her animal, but she fell off it and died. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 2877 and 2878.